I've got our bag of heat beads. We've broken up some fire lighters to save a little bit. We're about to get some, my boss wants to put aluminium foil in the bottom, so she's going to do that right now. And then where?
Can you measure this for me? Because I'm going to get a tray. It's easier. Just leave it there.
Measure? Measure or measure?
Can you measure?
Measure.
Yes.
Measure or measure?
Measure.
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 Measure. Measure?
Shut up now.
Be midnight before we get a snack even.
Oh, I think it's just be quick.
Imagine. Come on.
Oh. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna use that up.
Oh, just...
I don't wanna cover your vent. Okay. Scratch it eventually.
Is it supposed to be below that or is it above that? I guess it's below. No, it's not.
Oh no, above. Push.
Above that? That's sort of like the way of keeping it on there too, right? Alright, put your beads on.
How many?
Put plenty around. You need to put them on top more now. On top. No, not on this.
I'm still building it up.
Quite big, huh?
Yeah.
That'll do. You don't need too many, love. That'll do.
Oh.
That helps. Massive. That's heaps.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's heaps. Well, we can add some later if we run out. Right? Right, light it up. Light the sucker up and let's get smoky eyes. We've got the fire lighters underneath. Over here. Have the fire lighters lit up.
Ah, this is exciting.
We'll be more efficient at doing this when we get it all sorted, right? Because these beads take a while to light up. Alright, next one. Next one.
Oh, it's hot.
Don't worry. Alright.
Oh yeah, I don't need to.
Okay. Give it a little blow and it'll light the other ones up. Oh hell yeah. Right. Let's guess we keep the lid off while we're doing that, right?
Are the vents open? How do you open the vents? Up or down?
Up. Look here. Holding this, you can lift up the vents. And you can lift up one side. So when you're cooking, the air goes in, smokes that part, and then comes back. Close that off, and the other one side is open, and the air comes back out that way. So your meat or whatever you're cooking, theoretically, is not getting heated up by being above the beads, but it's getting smoked on the way through as the air comes back out again. Alright, well let's have a look how long that takes to heat up the beads.
I think it won't take a while.
Because what happens is those fire lighters will go out in a second, right?
Yeah.
They'll stop flaming in a minute,
Yeah.
and hopefully the beads will be lit. Right? So let that just light up the beads, and we'll go from there. 64 fire lighters. How much for the fire lighters, love? $4? Yeah. 64 blocks of fire lighters, and this. Once upon a time, these blocks used to all fall apart. These ones are actually staying together. They're actually pretty good. 64 for $4. You got the 90 redhead matches there, the bigger ones. I just figured that I would. And that's a block there. And you get 2 risers in there, so. What I did is I broke up the block a little bit, but next time I won't do that because it's falling through the bars, right? So just keep the blocks same size. Don't be a cheapskate like me and try and save money by breaking up the blocks to get more use. Just use them. Got one on, full one on there at the moment. We're waiting for the beads to go grey, and we're going to put the lid on. Now they're saying on the bag here, takes approximately 40 minutes for these beads to turn from black to ash colour, grey colour. That would mean they're hot, obviously. Weber, Go Anywhere, charcoal barbecue. And you can see that heat beads are all nice and red and grey, and it is really hot. So let's get the food on, love. This is our social isolating here in pretty much the middle of nowhere anyway. But check it out. So what do you got cooking here, love, on our Weber Go Anywhere
Charcoal barbecue grill.
Oh yeah. Alright. So let's open up this puppy and have a look at what we've got. Ah yes. So give us a little point of what we've got there, love. What do we got? So we've got some chicken breast.
Yeah, chicken breast. We got
What's this
pork
one?
Ribs.
Pork ribs.
And this is will be yours. It's already dried.
What's that? Steak?
Yeah, Scotch fillet.
What's that one?
With pork ribs.
And what do you call these little sausages?
Chipolatas.
Chipolatas?
Pork chipolatas, and it smells good.
Oh yeah. So we're just smoking away here. Check that out. Oh man, if you could smell this. I'm gonna have a sausage first. There's my cat there, see? And there's the sun just going down here. So you're basting it with this recipe here, which is chili,
Garlic, soy sauce, lime, salt and pepper. I don't like looking at some meat that is really looks dry.
Well, it's not drying, is it? We got it in the heat though. Oh, look at that. Oh, I can hear that sizzling. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, let's put the lid back on. Oh, because my back is getting cooked up though.
It's already cooked. Bye.
Let's put the lid back on. That's our little barbecue set up. It gets chilly when the sun goes down, doesn't it?
I don't mind.
All those people in England, it's getting chilly to about what? 22, 23 degrees? They can only dream about that weather though. But when you're used to a little bit warmer and the sun does go down, the air definitely drops. But I looked at the temperature last night, it only got down to 17 degrees. Yeah. But it still feels chilly. So it's what you get used to, right? There is a cold snap now coming from Antarctica, the winds. It's snowing. If you watch the telly tonight, you'll see in Canberra and Melbourne and the mountains and the things down there, they've got snow on the top. Today it's snowing. And that is going to come up New South Wales, and then Queensland doesn't get much of that, but we'll still get a little bit of cool weather. In two or 3 days time, the temperature is going to get down to 12 at night and 21 in the daytime. 21, 22, and then it'll get slightly warmer again.
Okay, so how will it affect? How will it affect the pandemic, the COVID? You think?
But it's not necessarily heat, love. It's sunlight.
Is there any new cases of COVID here in Queensland?
A couple a day, something like that. It's not much. So let's have another check.
Shit.
Check out the lid at the back. You can put it so it blocks the wind if you wanted to. I'm gonna have a sausage, love. No, I don't want. Is it cold? Is it? Yeah, I don't want mine toasted, please. Is it yours?
No.
No, I
Just
don't want it.
heating it up.
I forgot my onion, but it doesn't matter. So, all this horse paddock in the back here mowed today. I don't know if you can see that. If you look at my previous videos, this was not mowed. Is it cooked? That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Cooked. Leave it on for a minute. Is it cooked or not?
it is.
Alright. And put that. Yeah, open. Just unscrew that. We're gonna.
Okay. Nice.
Put me sauce on.
Why is it dripping?
And then we're gonna tuck into this little sausage.
Yes.
This is how we do it. We've also got the roast chestnuts, and they're in the bottom of that. It's mainly to eat after this. Alright. This is how we do it. Queensland, Australia.